Wait. Hello guys. I forgot. That's the intro. Hi guys, make sure to that's the ending. Hi guys. Welcome to 8K Pangkala. What is going on? Not mine.
Matulog na ang wataman.
Wait, no, I got play Roblox. I got play Avatar World.
Ang wataman. Antok na. Kaya, alam mo, disturbohin. Para matulog na. Tingnan mo. Wala si ate, kulit yun.
Paso. Okay, Abbott clips. Yep, guys. Oh, there's so many. That's happening right now in this second. Wow, this is not new. There's a new pool. Okay. I think this is new. I think it's not though. Yep. Baby step. What's this place? Where did I just leave? Wait, I thought the daycare was good. Another behind the scenes. So we don't have much stuff to in behind the scenes. We have a couple. I actually like the two clothes from Kinky every day that I play. Ako yung brown mood.
Lasing ka na.
Stop it. What's her name? Stop it. Chloe. Said her name will be Chloe, not Zoe. That's right. Her name will be Chloe in this world. Into kabukakian. I forgot. Just kidding. It won't be Chloe. Her name will be Zoe. It's just a book show arrangement. Where's the baby? Anything messy? Hello. Nothing but we ate food. So we're going grocery shopping behind the scenes.
Huwag mo siya napagtarelo.
Where's the grocery?
Baby dirty. Eh,
I said grocery, not that. Okay, say hi to a ghost.
sino dito? Dirty, hindi dirty.
Search that to him. It's a him job. This is a woman's job. And then,
Ano? Ayun ka lang daw dumating. Ayun ka lang daw dumating. Oo.
we did.
May pandesal si Tito.
Kain?
May pandesal.
Kain, no?
May pandesal, baby. Pandesal. Pandesal.
Kain?
This one. Cereal.
Pandesal, baby.
Yes. Rice.
Balik.
Pasta.
Balik. Balik na.
Macaroni.
Adok. Adok.
Flour. Let's just get one.
Dun.
Milk. Ketchup. Soy sauce. I don't know.
Dun.
I don't know. Full at start. I took half the self. Will they respawn? I literally took just half the self. Apple. Vegetable. Orange. Banana.
Go outside.
Carrot. Like 2. Egg.
Run outside.
Strawberry. Grape. We're going to make apple.
Come to me. Oo nga ni.
Tingin.
I think we're done.
Uy!
Oh, there was bread. I was so blind. I'm making patay.
Hindi mo alam yan, no?
Making tortoise. Wait.
O, laruin mo. Alam laruin?
Kasi meron din na narinig. Pinagsalita ng isang gabi yata yan. Ayan eh, ganyan kita.
Uy, malilit lang manang, ha?
Parang mabilis mahiwa.
Hmm? Papakain ko sa itong medyas ko.
Madali nga.
Eh!
Medyas, Kian. Saan lalagay ang medyas? Dumi to. Uwi na niya. Susubo na, oh.
Ano pa sa kanya, bibig, patulogin ka rin dito mo. Dito, slip yan. Ito.
Kiss for me. Kiss.
Yeah.
Honey. We need. We need milk and then chocolate milk.
Baba.
And then we get the wing. And putting and water. Kasi
Sinalog yung ulo. Eh!
that's not what I'm doing. Oh!
Ikaw pala kumukuha ng storya ko dyan, ha? Ayan, ha? O, kitang-kita ka. Ikaw pala na kumuha ng barya ko dyan, ha? Kitang-kita ka, ikaw pala na kumuha ng barya ko, ha? Lalabas ka ba, ma?
We're not even halfway done.
Kakadating pa ko pa lang, di ba?
Milk dito. I'm home from sorry shopping.
Eh, yung ginupit sa tatanong ito, hindi na ba? Balatan mo ngayon.
Maganda kasi hindi pinalatan ito eh.
O, tsaka mo balatan. Sige, ngayon nahiwa mo na ng ganyan.
Ito naman pangit. Ate? Bebe. Kasi kalkalin mo yung bag dyan. Wala naman may-ari dyan. Kalkalin mo lang yan. Makuha mo dyan. Sa'yo yan. Bili natin ng gatas. Ano po? Wala. Kumain ko mo pa. Ito na sa'yo. Ito na. Kumain ka lang na. Ito na. Matalino ka lalo. Ayan. Wala nagiging. Baliliktor yung iyan.
Sakit ng paa ko. Oh. Dito, dito.
How much birthday guys? Happen.
Hiwain, itong isang piraso, hiwain ko ito ng tatlong hiwa na lang.
Buha mo pa. Papakain.
Salan ka.
Buo pa.
Gusto mo? Luma. Ano yan? Wala po. Wala naman luma dito eh. Wala naman luma. Ano nga daw?
Ito yun. Ito ako, no?
Malutong din yan, bebe. Pagpatalino yan. Yun hindi. Pagpurestolerol yun. Oo, yan yung gusto paborito na yun. Bulang pang yan lagi pinakain doon.
Pag ito, nagpupurot mamaya.
Okay.
Gata ito kasi yung pinakain mo.
Sino?
Ikaw.
Anong kinakain ko?
Yeah.
O bakit?
Iba ko yan eh.
Ano sabi?
Ikaw.
Ano ko pinatong dito dito?
Ayan, binta naman nag-roger.
Kailangan yan. Good.
They just disappear. I don't care anymore. Just blah 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 blah.
Ayan na.
It goes to the cake section. Okay. Pudding.
Bumanga.
O kasi eh. Hindi ko pinamaan. Sige, bebe. Ay, good.
Ingay eh.
Lola mo.
Ano? Tuloy mo?
Kikiyan to.
Oo nga. Oh. Oh, naman ko tawa eh.
Where's the other egg?
Iyan! Bebe, sleep na ikaw.
Come on, what's that?
Oh. Galing oh. Nakalig ay wagas ah.
Perfect. But it's kind of empty here. Searching time. It's all empty actually.
Hi, bebe.
Crafting time!
Paglaki na.
I'm looking for the playground.
Kasi kung ano lang tinuturo mo eh.
Sleeping na kami. Bata ang sapaton! Yes! Hala! Dali! Kiyan daw crying. Ay, slip mo na, bebe. Sige na, ba't ayaw mo? Doon tayo sa kabila para makatulog ka. Anong oras 12 na? Oo nga eh. Halika, doon tayo. Mainis dito ko.
What's going on? There's a seesaw. I did not say there was a seesaw. Let's go. So that's end the video. So bye guys. Make sure to hit and like and subscribe if you didn't listen it now. Bye guys.